Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I'm going to read a morning speech on the topic Health is Wealth. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. We all have heard the common saying, health is wealth, but I do not think that we follow this proverb in our daily life to get maintained. We all know very well that good health leads to a good life. However, no one takes care of it. If we are not taking right care of our body, then we can never become healthy and successful in life. We should never forget that there is nothing in our life without health. Health is more valuable for us than other things in life because it is the only successful tool. Unhealthy people can never get the real joy and peace of life. Health is more valuable than money and other precious things in the world. A healthy body keeps the body, mind, and soul happy and peaceful. A healthy person becomes completely free from the illnesses in body and mind and therefore enjoys stable health and happiness. Healthy people of any age group depend upon several factors like food, physical activity, pollution, sleeping habits, way of thinking, mental condition, water, air, sunlight, etc. With physical exercises, proper body care is also very necessary. Unhealthy people spend their whole life suffering from diseases and complaining to others about their condition. We need to keep ourselves healthy and happy to cope with life's problems easily. We can be healthy through proper and daily exercises, morning walks, a healthy diet, following good habits, a disciplined lifestyle, and positive thinking. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that life is beautiful if it is lived in the right direction. Please do not waste it by being diseased. Instead, live it happily and healthily.